All right. One of the things that people do not concentrate on or they don't even think about that is very, very important is your matrix. One of the things on your matrix is you must make sure that you are checking your buyer messages. And for instance, here we have buyer messages. If there was somebody who left me a message and I don't respond within the 24 hours, that goes against me. So I want to make sure that I go about and make sure that I take care of my buyer messages. That's very important. Try to answer that as quickly as possible. Here is another thing that you guys should be looking at, and that is going to be your customer feedback. Now, in order to get to that, you must come over here under performance, go into feedback, and click on feedback. All right, guys, here is your recent feedback. So I'm showing you my recent feedback here of my latest one. So I want to be able to show you guys what you should be doing, what a lot of people do not do, and they should be doing this. This is only going to help your sales. This is going to help your matrix. This is going to help you be recognized with Amazon. Amazon loves it when you interact with their customers, and if a customer leaves you a feedback, always reply to it. All you have to do is simply come over here, hit the drop down box, post a public reply. Go ahead and do that, and then just type in something like, "Thank you very much for your feedback. Happy to have your business." And that goes a long way. Okay, go ahead and hit submit. All right, and there it is. Now you should be doing this to all these right here. I'm still trying to catch up on a lot of mine here, so this is what you should be doing. Go down to the next one, hit post a reply, and do the same thing all over again. If you do that, you should notice that you might be getting more sales, and that is because you're doing something extra that a lot of other people are not doing. All right, if you like this video, I really appreciate it if you leave me a feedback on it or just leave me a comment and let me know how I'm doing. If you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, subscribe to my YouTube channel. Make sure you hit that notification bell. It'll let you know when I have the next video coming up. And I appreciate a thumbs up on this, guys. And thank you very much. You guys have a good one, and we will see you on the next video.